Welcome to enter the world of Ameson cushion packaging. We'll recommend to you is
Mini Air CLASi
air cushion system. In terms of intelligence, air cushion system has a great advantage. First of all, it can achieve intelligent quantitative operation. The cushion can be inflated under the quantity you need. No manual supervision, no film waste. Secondly, due to the use of photoelectric sensor patents, the machine will automatically stop running once no film. Finally, in the process of using, when the temperature is too high or too low, the machine itself can be detected timely and intelligent. There is error code to ensure the maintenance on time, make the operation more safe and stable. In addition to intelligent advantage, the machine can inflate both filler and wrapper. It can meet the variety requirements for customers, and there is an inflatable Almighty King title. The machine is high efficiency. The fastest speed is up to 25 meters per minute, easy to deal with the assembly line.